Hey there, welcome back to our channel, Finance Experts. Now let's consider some of the very important details that you should know when making an investment and the top 5 ETFs to invest in 2023. Diversified funds are included in our list of the top exchange-traded funds to purchase in 2023. By choosing funds that show their worth through producing excellent total returns over 5 years, we have further focused on our recommendations. This prevents the use of temporary funds that could have performed over the course of, say, the previous year, but lack the characteristics necessary to succeed over the long term. What more is necessary to rank among the top 5 ETFs for 2023? 2 additional desired characteristics are reasonable cost and yield. Additionally, we have limited our choices to ETFs with assets of $100 million or greater. Number 1. Vanguard Total Stock Market ETF, which is called VTI. A very common strategy that has been successfully shown to be successful is to use an exchange-traded fund that tracks all of the markets as your core holding. That said, the best core stock ETF that believe you're able to put in is VTI, or the Vanguard Total Market ETF. For the ordinary investor investing in an equity market benchmark that reflects about 100 of the US markets for stocks, from mega-sized businesses to nano-cap and every company in between. Similar to VTI, ETF offers a low-cost and simple way to get all of the returns available on the whole US stock market. VTI has roughly 4,100 equities in total, with the majority of its interest in some of the biggest American corporations such as Apple, Amazon, Google, and several more companies. However, VTI invests in a wide variety of equities throughout the small, mid, and big size areas of the stock market, guaranteeing that you never lose out on any possibilities that may arise. If you had invested $10,000 10 years ago, this ETF would have returned an average of $12.52 per year in any market capitalization during that same period. Even with the recent fluctuations, your investment would have increased to about $32,518. And indeed, even though past performance is by itself not an indication of future results, if you ask any investor why they decide to invest in the stock market as a whole, they'll likely tell you their reason is that they simply trust that the market will rise over the long term. Now let's speak about dividends. Although VTI doesn't seem to be a dividend-focused exchange-traded fund, it does, however, have a dividend yield of 1.56%, or roughly $3.04 per share per year in dividends. This means that if you had invested $10,000 into VTI 1 year ago, you could have gotten about $158 in dividends. As with every ETF, there is going to be a fee to invest in this one. But fortunately, VTI has a very low expense ratio of just 0.03, which means you'll only be charged $3 per year on $10,000 invested to own this ETF. 2. Real Estate Investment Trust, REITs. In this video, we've covered a lot of stock market investments. But any great shareholder knows fact that a well-diversified portfolio should include assets other than stocks in order to truly minimize risk as well as maximize returns. Examples of such assets include real estate investments. Real Estate Investment Trust, or REITs, are businesses that control and operate income-producing real estate. As a result, when you purchase shares of REIT, real estate magically appears in your portfolio. Vanguard Real Estate, or VNQ, is one of the greatest alternative investments of real estate investment trust ETFs anyone might include in their investment portfolio. The objective of VNQ is to attempt to mimic the performance of the U.S. Investable Market Real Estate 2550 Index, which was created to track the performance of investments in the real estate sector of the stock market. Through investing in this real estate ETF, you can add 171 different REITs to your investment account, including well-known REITs like American Tower Corporation and Public Storage, along with many others. REITs are really quite similar to dividend-paying shares in that a dividend-paying stock's principal objective is to continuously pay dividends to investors instead of to expand the quickest. Your investment would have increased to around $20,548 if you had put $10,000 into VNQ 10 years earlier. The dividend is where this ETF truly performs well. VNQ offers a dividend yield of 3.1% and paid dividends of $2.86 per share over this past year. If you had invested $10,000 in VNQ a year prior, you would have received around $309 in dividends. With an expenditure ratio of 0.12 and has the highest cost-to-income ratio on our list, it implies that for every $10,000 invested in one, you would spend $12. 3. VXUS, Vanguard Total International Stock ETF. In light of this, let's consider VXUS or the Vanguard Total International Stock ETF to be among the greatest international exchange-traded funds you can own. This exchange-traded fund aims to mimic the performance of the FTSE Global All-Cap US Index, which gauges the investment gains of firms listed outside of the US. VTI and VXUS are highly common combination among investors. If you wish to increase your portfolio's exposure to foreign markets, VTI will definitely suit your requirements. VTI solely invests in American firms. You may do so by combining VXUS with VTI. Visas have returned 5 points yearly over the previous 10 years, implying that $10,000 invested 10 years ago would be equivalent to around $16.57 now. But keep in mind that the goal of an exchange-traded fund is to increase your portfolio's exposure to foreign markets. And just because foreign equities aren't doing well right now doesn't imply they won't in the future. Anything might change. Actually paid around $1.99 per share in dividends over the previous year, which is an outstanding 3.86% dividend return. This indicates that if you had invested $10,000 in the company a year ago, you would have received around $309 in dividends. And this specific one has a slightly higher expense ratio of 0.07, which means that for every $10,000 you invest in this exchange-traded fund, you will only pay $7 in fees annually. SCHD, Schwab US Dividend Equity ETF. The Schwab US Dividend Equity ETF, this exchange-traded fund's primary objective is to approximate the total return of the Dow Jones US Dividend 100 Index, which was created expressly to assess the performance of U.S. businesses with high dividend yields and a history of making timely dividend payments. Over the past 10 years, SCHD has returned 13.33 and presently has 104 dividend-paying equities with top holdings including Meralco, PepsiCo, Coca-Cola, IBM, and several other high-earning paying businesses. It implies that if you had made a $1,000 investment 10 years earlier, it would have increased to around $34,134, which is excellent for a dividend-focused exchange-traded fund. Over the last year, SCHD has distributed 2.83 cents in dividends or 2.23 cents per share. Consequently, if you had put $10,000 into this ETF a year earlier, you would have received around $310 in dividends. 5. VGT, Vanguard Information Technology ETF. Vanguard Information Technology ETF. This exchange-traded fund's objective is to track the U.S. Information Technology Index performance, an index of firms on the stock market that represents the information technology industry. The overall number of equities held by the ETF is 394, with significant positions in several of the biggest tech firms in the world, including Apple, Microsoft, Nvidia, and others. VGT has provided an average annual return of around 18.24 during the last 10 years. As a result, if you have placed $10,000 into this exchange-traded fund after 10 years, your $10,000 investment would have increased around $58,866, making it an aggressive growth fund. Dividends VGT has paid a $2.98 dividend per unit over the last year and has a 0.87 dividend yield of 0.87. Consequently, if you had invested $10,000 in VGT a year earlier, you would have received dividends totaling roughly $87. This one has somewhat higher expense ratio of 0.10%. For every $10,000 you put into this ETF, you're going to need to pay the equivalent of $10 a year in fees. This exchange-traded fund is not going to suit everyone, and many people argue that tech stocks are now overpriced and overdue for a drop and a few years of sideways price consolidation. Nonetheless, An exchange-traded fund like VGT is the ideal location to invest your money if you believe that technology is the future and want to actively invest in it. We hope that our viewers have received a clear understanding on what are the top 5 ETFs to invest in 2023 according to the expert recommendation. Thank you for being to the end of the video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and tell us what you think about this video below in the comment section. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.